Hey folks, Jim Dufault here with Jackson Systems in Indianapolis. I want to talk to you today about another great product that we offer. It's the Jackson Systems VCS. It's our ventilation control system, also known in the industry as a fresh air ventilation system. So we offer it to you in a couple different formats. Number one, you can buy just the panel. This is our VCS panel. And then of course you can also buy it. We do kit this for you. We offer it in a ventilation kit, basically a VCS-06. And all that means is you're going to get a kit with a 6-inch damper. It's going to come with the VCS panel. And of course, we also provide a 20 VA transformer. Now with the damper, the 6-inch damper, this is going to come. It's a typical 2-wire damper. However, we're going to configure this to be power open, spring close. It's a little different than most dampers. And the reason why we do that is primarily in the event that the system is operational and you have a power failure. We want the damper to go ahead and close so that you're just not dumping that air that's outside back into the structure when the power is out. So now when it comes to the panel itself, we do, as with all Jackson Systems panels that you'll get from us, we do put the instructions right on the inside as well. And of course you will get with the panel a complete set of instructions on wiring the panel and setting the panel up. And of course you can always call us if you're running into any problems. Now I do have a panel off to my right and your left, and I just wanted to take a quick moment just to show you some of the features and the benefits of the Jackson Systems VCS that set us apart from other manufacturers. So the first thing you're going to notice when you look at our VCS panel is, well, obviously we've got some LEDs up here at the top. These just are indicators to let you know what's going on with the panel. Number one, if the panel's being powered properly, if the damper is the transformer for the damper is receiving power, if the fan is on, if the damper is open, that sort of thing. The other thing that stands out quite dramatically is this dial. It's called a potentiometer, and that dial is really where you, the contractor, is going to go in and you're going to dial in how many minutes of fresh air are needed into that structure every hour. Now down here on the left-hand side of the panel, this is where you're going to wire it in. And W for your heat terminals. You're going to have G for your fan. You're going to have your hot, and then your common, and then of course the power for the panel from your transformer. And the two D terminals down here at the bottom. That's going to be where the damper powers in. And then on the left-hand side, this is what sets us apart. This is what makes this panel so incredible. Is we have some override options available for you to be able to set up to give a little more option for the homeowner when they're bringing fresh air into their home. The first thing you're going to notice is these two EF terminals. That's for an exhaust fan. So not only is the panel going to kick the fan on and open the damper and begin to bring in fresh air, it's also going to energize an exhaust fan. And that's really going to help bring a lot more turns and get that fresh air into the structure a lot quicker. So not only are you just bringing in fresh air, but you're exhausting that old stale air out of the home as well. So the exhaust fan option is great. Next, the two O terminals that we have down below, these are going to allow you to basically set an override switch for the homeowner as well, almost like a light switch. They can go ahead and turn on and off the system as they need. You know, let's say they're having a large party, they have a lot of people in the home, or they've been doing a lot of cooking in the house, and they just want to bring in some fresh air and remove the stale air that's in the house. This gives the homeowner that option. And then finally, these two L terminals down at the bottom, these are going to allow the homeowner and of course you to set this up where it overrides based on temperature and humidity. So you can actually set up an outside temperature sensor, an outside humidistat type feature. So I mean, let's face it. So if the homeowner's been doing everything they can to get the house to 70 degrees on the inside, but the outside air temperature is a nice balmy 90, or there's 80% humidity, that's not fresh air. So this is going to allow the system to override that and not bring in that air that's basically so opposed to what's going on in the home already. So now finally, I just quickly want to explain this potentiometer, this dial. Inside the instructions, we're going to provide you what you need to make that determination, because different structures are different sizes according to ASHRAE standards. And again, this panel complies with ASHRAE 62.2 standards. And within the instructions that we're going to provide you, there'll be a chart in there that'll help you decipher exactly based on how many bedrooms are in the home, the approximate square footage, and how long the ductwork is for the fresh air system. And that's going to give you how many minutes of fresh air per hour need to come home, or come into that home rather. And so basically you're going to wire this, you're going to go ahead and dial in how many minutes of fresh air, and you're good to go. So that's it. This is the Jackson Systems VCS, the ventilation control system, fresh air ventilation system. If you'd like more information about this great panel and all the panels and control systems that we offer and zoning systems, would love to talk to you. Of course, you can reach out to us anytime at 888-652-9900. 9663. And of course, you can find us online. You can take a look at every single one of our products that we offer as well and get more information, installation manuals and schematics and brochures. And you can do that at www.jacksonsystems.com. I'm Jim Dufault for Jackson Systems. Thanks for watching.